This is a joke.
I never.
That's what y'all don't understand.
What?
But there's
And it's unfair. It's unfair and it's disrespectful to me that you think I would come in here purposely.
Whoa!
It's like a joke or a game.
I never said it was a joke.
What type of statement is that?
Mr.
Your life is not on the line. Mine is. And you think that I think this is funny?
I don't.
The Darrell Brooks trial has taken over my For You page, and I can't look away. He's charged with 6 counts of first-degree intentional after allegedly driving his SUV into a parade and killing 6 people. Darrell has chosen to represent himself and constantly fighting with the judge. We getting to the bottom of this right now, chat. Let's see how this work out.
When did this video, when was this made a exhibit? Because I don't have it.
Objection, that's not a question for the witness, Your Honor.
That was a question. When was this
As to the
video
form
made
of
an
the
exhibit?
question.
How you kill 6 people and you come into the courtroom with an attitude like somebody inconvenienced you? That don't even make sense to start the video. This don't even make sense to start the video. Why every time somebody defend themselves in court, it's the most dumbest people. They always doing something stupid.
Your Honor, I wanna say I'm sorry for the things I've done.
If you think I'm here to play around with y'all, goddamn it, I'm not.
When was this video made an exhibit? That is a question.
He is frustrated because this case has been going on for at least 2 weeks now, and they're still adding evidence against him as of yesterday. And the evidence is important because it's a music video of him standing in front of a red SUV, which is quite similar to the exact SUV that was in the rundown of the parade. So that is why the evidence is being used against him, and he doesn't like that.
I saw the video within a few days of Mr. Brooks being arrested. I've reviewed it since then a few times. I reviewed it yesterday and again this morning, and now in court again.
You said you reviewed it yesterday and this morning. If you had seen this video numerous times before yesterday and today, why did you feel the need to view it yesterday and today?
Objection, argument.
What? That don't even make sense. Look at this guy.
I wanted to be 100% sure of the content, and if there's any questions that were asked of it, I wanted to make sure that I would be able to answer them appropriately.
Did you view the video this morning because you knew that the video would be made an exhibit this morning?
Objection, assumes facts, not in evidence.
Sustained. As to the form of the question.
This is mind-boggling.
What is going on?
Next question, please.
I don't got no more questions, man.
All right. Thank you.
This is mind-boggling.
Please sit down. There's no need for you to stand at the moment.
I feel like standing right now.
Please sit down.
I feel like standing.
He just want to fight. That's all he want to do. You know who she need? She need, I blame Jerome. He not doing, Jerome, this is why I'm always yelling at him. She need a Jerome standing next to her. That's what she need. Need security to get this fucker in check.
Mr. Brooks, I presume, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, but you're familiar with that video. Yes or no?
What does that have to do with what we're talking
Because
about?
I'm going to make a finding based upon what I viewed in that video, that there's absolutely no surprise to you. It appears to me, even without the video, that that's a music video, that you are in it, that the vehicle that has been the subject of this entire case, that red Ford Escape with the plate that's been testified to, is in that video. That video's relevant for a number of different reasons. The first of
Time out. Did this fucker record a music video inside of a car and then that same car is the car that hit those people, and now he trying to act like, why is that music video relevant? Motherfucker, because you've been attached to that car on camera prior to this accident with the same exact license plate. Are you out of your mind?
Exhibit.
Well, with all respect, Your Honor, you're mischaracterizing what I said, and that the record needs to be clear. The issue that I raised was how does this at the last minute out of the blue become an exhibit? That's
Wait, he actually talking, you know, in legal jargon. He know the language, so I'm understanding why he feel he could defend himself, because he has some sort of understanding. It's his delivery of constantly being annoyed at what everyone's doing that is fucking up his whole testimony here.
Video was obtained from the defendant's own Facebook account as well. The court is well aware.
The video was on your Facebook? What is going on, man? The music video that they got of the car, that's your car, was on your Facebook. What is going on, man?
Multiple times I've been abundantly patient
record
with
clear.
you. Again, another interruption. So you need to be quiet and let the state make a record. Stop gesturing at
asking me
me.
to be quiet?
Stop rolling.
Isn't he in contempt of court? He keeps speaking over the judge. Bang that gavel and get some order in the court, Jennifer. Why she not bang putting that foot down?
Eyes at me.
There is nothing in law that prevents me from pulling something out of my briefcase right now and making it an exhibit if it's relevant.
Makes sense to me.
You decide what's relevant, what's admissible, not Mr. Brooks. There is no law, he can cite to no law, no authority whatsoever that says I can't make an exhibit essentially on the fly.
This is getting personal for her. She said, fuck business. I want to get this man out of here. You come in this courtroom acting like you run shit. Let me tell you something, buddy. She getting right at him. She getting right at his half bald-headed ass.
He can object all he wants, and he has made that clear. He will continue to object and obstruct the court and obstruct these proceedings every last chance he gets. But legally, everything has been above board and proper, and this exhibit is no exception.
Issues. There was an objection.
Look at his dumbass over here. If you don't sit your goofy ass down, why is he still standing? He look all uptight in the neck. If you don't sit your goofy ass down and relax. Somebody said job interview ass shirt. What the fuck is wrong with y'all, man?
Mr. Brooks filled out a subpoena for Dawn Woods and provided that to the state because I'm directing you to have her here at 9
We said all
a.m.
that at the beginning, man. Like, I don't even want to be in here that much longer. Just do what you got to do so I can get up out of here. I'm tired of being in the courtroom that has no integrity whatsoever. How can you even call yourself a
Mr.
judge?
Brooks, I need to make a record of some
I need to
things.
make a record too.
You don't
When
need
am I
to
gonna
Put
get
the
chance
mask
to do
back
that?
on.
All right, I need to make a record. He's being removed to the other courtroom. He is yelling at me. He's not going to let me make a statement or make the record that I need to make.
I'm finna
He
leave
hasn't
anyway,
sat
so what
down
do it
for
matter? You
the
can
better
hold me
part
in
of 2
contempt all
hours.
you want. You can hold me in contempt all you want.
I'm not holding
all you
you
gotta
in
do is tell me
contempt.
if it's criminal or civil, so I can hit
Right.
you with you.
I need to
with
clear
what you
the
know is
courtroom because
coming.
I do need
I'm
to
gonna
make-
give you what you know is coming.
I need him to go to the
If
other
it's civil-
courtroom because I do need to put some
if
things
it's
on the
civil,
record. The record to
Where's the
reflect
contract between you
that
and I?
Mr. Brooks
If it's
is
criminal,
yelling at me.
what is the crime?
He is.
Who makes the claim? And what is
He is.
the...
I will make the record when we get back. I will step off, but Mr. Brooks, you're being
It ain't
taken
no
to the
Mr.
next
ain't no Mr.
courtroom.
Brooks. Don't try to address me
Thank
like
you.
that, like we cool. You don't have no integrity.
What the fuck are you talking? It ain't no Mr. Brooks. Don't address me like we cool. What friend call you Mr. Brooks? What the fuck are you talking about? Don't try to address me like we cool. Like that's a nickname. What the fuck is wrong with this guy, bro?
How can you even call yourself a judge? Making tacit agreements, being biased, judicial misconduct, trying to steal somebody's like we cool. You don't have no integrity. How can you even call yourself a judge?
You see the hand? How you even gonna call yourself the judge?
Like that,
This
like we
man
cool. You don't
goofy
have
as
no
fuck.
integrity. How can you even call yourself a judge? Making tacit agreements, being biased, judicial misconduct, trying to steal somebody's
Trying to steal somebody's sister. What the fuck you just say?
This is the
So she
alleged record of ableist conduct.
This guy or something else. So she gotta elevate her. Why he start leaning back so far?
This is the
So she
alleged record of
voice
ableist.
she got a hell of what is this guy?
OWI 3rd from 1997, and OWI 4th from 2003.
What is wrong with him?
Dwelling from 2006.
All right, I need to take a break. This man right now is having a stare down with me.
I need to take a break because this man is having a stare down. What the fuck is his problem? Bro, he is guilty. He did it. I don't know what else proof y'all need from this guy. He did it. Whatever he accused of, he did it, bro. What is you talking about?
All right, I need to take a break. This man right now is having a stare down with me. It's very disrespectful. He pounded his fist. Frankly, it makes me scared.
Where is the fucking police when you need them?
Help! Police! Help!
Where the police when you actually need them, man? This guy is insane. He hasn't even blinked one time.
Disrespectful. He pounded his fist. Frankly, it makes me scared.
Oh my God, this boy over the top. Wait, what? He flips out when a prosecutor reveals he's an offender.
That's
Furthermore,
I'll object to that.
I'm not
because
done.
that's a lie.
Let him
Because at
finish.
the end of the day,
Let
if
him
we
finish,
gonna open the door
Mr.
on that, no,
Brooks.
since he want to make a record and not be accurate, so let's be accurate all on the record. Since you think you know so much,
Once
so
again,
we can
Mr.
open the
Brooks
door
is
on.
being
We can
loud,
open the door on how old she told me she was when we met.
interrupting.
We can ask that question
He is
too. Then
over the top
you ask that?
animated
Do you
right
know
now.
that?
Mr. Brooks, I'm ordering you to sit down and to let this
No,
man finish.
I'm not going to sit here and let somebody be inaccurate on the record and lie on the record.
Right. Under Illinois versus Allen, I've warned him repeatedly. He's being removed from the courtroom.
Half a ticket. Now I'm swiping Vinci, got him looking at me different. I can't be feeling when I kiss him. Yeah.
That nigga trash and he need to go under the jail cell. What the fuck?